wraparound windows on those old wagons were neat. I see something I might like. Actually, I like a lot of things, so let's just go down here because I see some Mopar stuff. Oh man, the Rivieras, not the Bowtails. Oh, it looks like they got them all here. We've got the finest of people here gathered. Look at this. That's a beautiful bumper still. That was a good color when it was alive. Aha! I see you. I'll be right there, my dear. Oh, look at this end of the row. And here we go for the parts cars. Okay, don't judge me. I know it's rough, but I've got an affinity, and I collect up every bit of these I can get. I love it. I love it. Oh. When would be the day when those are like really rare? Cordobas. We're not going to talk about that little thing on top right there. That's a disgrace. But what we're looking at is we're checking out this aisle here. Oh my lord, look at that duster in that shadow. Pathetic. But whatever, to each your own. Huh. I wonder what that's a statement for. But we'll go with it. Look at those little things. Hilarious. We all know what those are. What we're looking at over here is these dusters and demons. Maybe a Monaco or something. But yeah, there's a bunch of... Ooh! Ooh, what's that, everybody? That looks like a Cuda. Or a Jets Challenger. Let's check this thing out here. And a good little dart next to it. I mean, yeah, they're sad, but it's still nice to see them. They have feelings too, everybody. They have feelings too. It's Valiant. Lord Valiant. With another Barracuda dart. Another dart down here. Who knows what's over there, but we all love these. Yep. 1979 Michigan, y'all, right there. We've never been to this place, so this is all new to us. Like I said, we found this place by chance. A gentleman at a gas station saw we had some parts in the back of our truck and asked us if we had come from here. And we said, we never even heard of that place. So here we are checking it out for the first time. And we're kind of blown away. There's some cool stuff here. Lots of parts. I'm going to go for this LeBaron bridge. I just think that's funny how they've got things stacked up kind of like little bridges of maybe it's structural support or something. I'm not sure, but we're in Chryslerville right now. Big sea bodies. Very nice. Man. Let's go this way and see what we can find. We'll have to go down and then over more. We'll be back.